Hello whiskey enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of personalized whiskey crafting with the ultimate whiskey making kit, perfect for those who love to experiment with flavors and create their own signature blend. Whether you're a fan of smoky Scotch, classic Irish, or the great American Bourbon, this kit empowers you to unleash your creativity with a variety of woodchip blends and botanicals for a refined taste every time. Simply add 350 milliliters of your favorite alcohol, mix in half a test tube of woodchips, and let it infuse for 2 to 4 weeks before adding botanicals for that extra kick. The kit includes 2 elegant whiskey bottles, 3 woodchip blends, 6 botanical flavors, 6 whiskey stones, and 2 customizable labels to preserve your unique creation. Say goodbye to watered-down drinks with the included metal whiskey stones, ensuring your drink stays chilled without losing flavor. This kit makes the perfect gift for any occasion, whether it's a birthday, Christmas, or Father's Day, showing your loved ones just how much you care. So why wait? Transform your whiskey experience and enjoy a personalized drink that's as unique as you are.